Bes, plano mong mag-call center pero di mo alam saan magsisimula? Don't worry, I got you. Ito ang call center prep tips na hindi mo dapat skip. Ready? Game! Tip number 1. Aralin mo muna yung industry. Hindi porket may headset ka na, agent ka na agad, no. Alamin mo kung voice account ba or non-voice, inbound or outbound. Kasi kung pumasok ka sa interview na wala kang alam, sorry ka na lang, next applicant please. Tip number 2. Do your research. Of course. Need mo Google yung company. Ano ba yung account nila? Telco ba? Healthcare? Retail? Baka mamaya ang sagot mo sa tanong hindi alin. Ayun, sablay agad. Tip number 3. Practice common interview questions. Like, tell me about yourself. Hindi ito story time. Make it short but solid, like who are you, anong background mo, at bakit ka fit for the role. Iwasan ng dead air like, wait po. Tip number 4. Work on your English. You don't have to sound like native speaker. Ang importante, malinaw kang magsalita at may kumpiyansa ka. Mag-practice ka sa harap ng salamin. O kausapin mo si Manong Guard o kahit si pusa mo. At least sila hindi nang judge. Tip number 5. Practice your listening skills. Hindi lang puro salita sa call center, kailangan attentive ka rin. Try mong manood ng English series with subtitles, kahit Friends or Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Nakakatawa na, nakakatulong pa sa comprehension. So ayan na, bes. Kung feel mo na, go lang. Basta tandaan mo, preparation is everything. Ayusin mo muna ang sarili mo para pagharap mo sa interview. Boom! Pasok agad, walang sablay. Tag mo yung tropa mong gustong pumasok sa call center pero clueless pa. Sabay-sabay tayong magkakareer, bes. Apply na sa amin, baka ikaw na ang next hire.